What if your sketchbook was the best souvenir you ever brought home? Not a fridge magnet, not a blurry selfie or a t-shirt, but pages that you filled while sitting in a little square somewhere with the smell of coffee in the air and the sound of the city around you, or on the beach while a gentle breeze touched your skin and you heard the sounds of the waves lapping on the shore and maybe some seagulls crying. That's what travel sketching gives you. And it starts before you even arrive. Airports, train stations, long drives. If you've got your sketchbook, you've always got something to do. Time flies. Here's something that I've learned. When you draw a place, you actually see it. Not just a quick photo and then on to the next spot. You slow down, you look, you take it all in. You remember so much more. Well, maybe you're thinking, that sounds all great, Koosje, but how do I deal with my travel companions? I would feel bad about keeping the people who are traveling with me waiting while I draw. Well, let's unpack that, shall we? Talk to them ahead of time. Make a simple plan. They grab a coffee, you sketch for 20 minutes, you meet back up. My husband strolls around or he brings a book to read while I draw. And it often turns into one of the most relaxed moments of the whole trip. Drawing is important for you, so you need to make it part of the trip. That's why it's important that the people you travel with know about this. Or choose to travel with people who just get it. That's exactly what my drawing workshop trips are about. Everyone's got a sketchbook, nobody is rushing you, and we all geek out over sketch gear. Drawing isn't something you have to fit in around the trip, it is the trip. Follow the link in the video description to see my workshop schedule, and maybe we get to draw together. But even on a regular vacation, you don't need hours. You've seen that in my video from last week. And if you haven't yet, I will link it at the end of the video so you can watch it next. A quick sketch at breakfast, on a terrace, before bed, it all adds up. And if you don't finish, take a photo for reference and complete it later. Going back to pages and finishing them is a great way to spend time on the flight home or even when you're back home. And also, even unfinished drawings are great memories. You just capture so much more than any photo ever could. And I'm actually saying this as a former professional photographer. It's just the magic of drawing your travels. So next time that you travel, take your sketchbook as one of your essentials. I'll see you next week and we'll talk about travel sketch materials then.